Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and keeping safe. Here is another workout for you guys. It's only 7 minutes. Come on, 7 minutes out of your day. It's not gonna kill you, but it might just save your life. To be honest, doing these workout videos is a win-win situation because it means if I am filming a workout, that means I've actually worked out at least once that week and I'm not just lying in bed all day. So definitely get up and join me. I'm starting off with some stretches and you will see the first sort of routine pop up on the screen. There we go. So we're going to come back to this routine, so just bear that in mind when I say we're going back to the dance. Okay, so left, hands up, right, hands up, left, hands up, right, hands up, and then a faster pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back, left, hands up. So we'll do 4 of these and 8 of the other ones. So the next exercise, I don't know the proper name, but you basically opposite hand, opposite leg, and then you're touching the floor. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're gonna 8 and jumping straight into jumping jacks. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to the dance. Well done. Yep, we're going back. Oh, I did that wrong side. Basically, we're doing the same thing as we did on the other side on this side. 7 of these, and then we're jumping straight into jumping jacks. Go. Back to the dance. We're going to stick with the dance till the end of this song. So remember 4 and then 8. Well done, yay! So the first move on this one is like a kick back. And then very soon we're gonna do a sort of step down and step up. Down and up and down and up. Try and go as low as you can. Just put it at a different angle for you to see better. So very soon we're going to jump into some lunges and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it there. We're going to pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to kick back. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There should have been a 5. Clearly I couldn't be bothered. And going back to doing the step downs and step ups. Keep doing the step up and step downs if you can, but I think my legs were getting tired, so I decided to do this instead. Bear in mind, this is probably the third time I'm doing this routine. So yeah. We're going to jump into lunges on the other side very soon. Okay, let's go. 1, you can do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember to pause. 7, pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to kick back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we're gonna get ready to do some sit-ups soon, so you might want to get down on the floor just now. And let's go. You're gonna stretch up as high as you can, like there's something dangling on the ceiling. It's so crazy. You're standing up and you think, oh, my abs are so flat, and you sit down and it's like, nope. I've got 2 friends there, Agatha and Anthony. They're saying hi to you guys. So stretch. We're gonna stop here and do some arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back down, and then just stretch as high as you can, and down, and down. The weights I have, I think, is just like 5 kilograms. It's nothing big. I'm definitely not a bodybuilder. So we're now going to do from side to side. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's about it. I'm struggling. So this is the cool down. Tap, tap, and jump. Tap, tap, jump. Well done, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. 7 minutes, not too bad, eh? Now you can get on with the rest of your day. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys on my next video. You should be sweating, because I am, but bear in mind, this is probably the 3rd or the 4th time I'm doing this routine. But yeah, see you later, trips. See you later.